These are a few scenes from my animation project. It was completely a solo project, and I'm about to explain entire production process, in what sections I use AI tools. Basically, I use AI tools for complex animations, especially focusing on character animations. I will explain everything. I'll try to make this video as raw as possible, walk you through entire production process. So let's get started. This is my YouTube channel, and all those scenes you just watch are from these full videos. Okay, I'll walk you through every single videos. The first video is about the money misconception. There are multiple sections. Okay, I'll go through every sections. Okay, all these chart animations, typewriting animations was done completely in After Effects. I'll tell you what was done in using AI tools. Here's one scene. A person is running and trying to chase the flying money. To create that scene, first I created this character who is trying to run in running positions using ChatGPT. And later I created, okay, let me go through for reference image. Yeah, here is a running man. So this is the first initial frame. I created this image from ChatGPT, added solid green color. If you are an already video editor, I think you already guessed it why I used a green color in the background. Obviously, we can composite it and change the background later. So this is the first frame, it's the still frame. Then I used Google Flow. Where's that Google Flow? Okay, so here's a Google Flow, lab.google flow, and you can simply upload your first frame here and give the prompt to animate them. So I don't actually remember which account did I use here to create that scene, but so here's the scene. Like I gave this image, and here is one animated version. So for this video, I use this prompt: keep camera still, make the character moving on rocking chair, and it created video something like this. Then I use this image on the video. So I have a video folder. Here's a multiple images. Like where's that running? Okay, here's a character running footage. This is the footage we got from Google Flow. We just uploaded the first frame and gave the prompt to animate that character. And normally they generate around 8-second long video, but if you want high frame rate animations, then you can make it 60 fps using Premiere Pro. Okay, now I'm inside After Effects. I've organized all these medias and multiple folders like compositions. I've broken down the entire script into multiple scenes, scene 1, 2, 3, and here are the graphics, all those images and other stuff. And there is a videos. They are especially green screen footages, animations with green screens. So this is the green screen footage. Let's go to the section number 3. So here's a flying money animation. It was completely made through manual process, the money flying animations, but the character running, the character running. So here's the character running footage. I'll just solo it down, and I have applied one key light effect. So here's a key light effect. Basically, this effect remove the background colors. We select whatever color is there. And for informations, if you are trying to remove the background from any footage, just make sure that background color is not matching with character's outfit. I just applied that key light effect. So that's how I made this scene. Another scene is the character comes back with side emotions, and that footage also was completely, let me go through video sections. This was the actual footage. Sad character walking, and the character is standing. Character walks few step forward and transfer the camera, and exactly I think, yeah, here's a sad character walking. So this was the how complete process, how it was made. And here is one hand giving money to another hand. This is also exactly same process. You can say money giving hand. Yeah, let me solo it down, remove the key light effect. Yeah. Yeah, here are multiple character scenes. So this was also made individually. Don't try to merge multiple characters into a single frame. That will create more complications later on editing. So it's a good practice to create such characters individually. There is a character and character walking. So second character walking, and then I composited this. I added compiled money graphics and added $1. I've also used a motion tracking feature here to keep that movement completely synchronized with that hand character, and the character is thinking first. So we have a footage here, character thinking. We remove the green screen. Okay, now character is moving. Okay, now he's thinking. The original footage, the character was thinking for short durations. Then I extended the freeze frame, I guess. You can simply right click and time and freeze last frame. So then character is walking and he's coming up with goods to exchange. Here's another character's thinking animation. It was also completely made on Google Flow. Okay, here is another animations of the character is pushing hard this rock. And this is just a camera movement. If you are familiar with camera movement, I have used camera. And there's another character. So we have two footages, one character pushing rock this. Then another character is pushing rounded rock. Basically, you get the idea. Most of the portion of this video is made manually. I got the vision, but to execute some of the character animations, doing these character animations on my own was near to impossible. But with the help of just simple tools, now this video production level is way more higher. Obviously, I consider it as a professional, but you can decide whether it looks professional or not, at what level of animations these videos are looking like. For my second video, I created about the war and inflations, how war causes inflations. I've used the same character from the previous video. Now this time, here are multiple soldiers, tank, military tank. Now I'm at the second video. As you can see, multiple scenes here. Okay. One of the scene, like, I guess. So here is one tank. Here is a tank, but I didn't like that wheel of this tank, so I created another wheel and later composited that wheel on After Effects. And whenever tank moves forward or backward, the wheel rotates along with the positions of tank. I connected wheels rotations with tank's positions. About the soldiers, I created, let's go to this reference frame. So here is one soldier, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are the first initial frames. Then, okay. Here are other multiple characters. You'll get an idea at the end sections. So we have, this is soldier animations. Here's another soldier. Two soldiers handshaking each other. These are the manual animations. Just the illustration was only the AI generated one. 5, let me, okay. Only the characters were done by the AI here. It was also completely manually done. I composited it as a person is watching the TV or news.
So the next time you see a war...
So, and the character sitting on a sofa. This was the actual video. If you manage to upload the clean first image without any clipping, then you'll get a good output. Later I added text information and the background. So this was one of the heavily composited scene. There are multiple characters, tank, sacks, and all those characters are carrying their load. So let's watch the final video. I'll just show here. So here are the multiple scenes. And so this was the actual final scene. Now this is the end of the video project, one of the longest duration project on this category, and you can see multiple scenes. Here is one character. I just need to show our character is thinking something like a winning a lottery, and after winning lottery everything changes, so I need to also show some sort of transformations. So this is the actual scene. Okay, we need two scenes. First scenes, the character is thinking, and the scene he's on a rocking chair. So here's one, and gave it to Google Flow, got these footages. Yep, and here's the thinking character. Again, another footage. Character on Zoe, character jumping on Zoe. So here's one. You just need to apply this key light effect to remove the background. We have another scene. It was completely done manually. For scene number 3, it was about a person trying to climb Mount Everest. So I'll try to, okay, here's the scene. So all these images were generated by ChatGPT individually. Then later I composed it and arranged in this way. I added extra clouds. So the AI generated video on this section is only here. It's trying to climb. You can see the moving rope animations. So this was done manually. This was the only sections which was completely made by AI on that scene. Okay, for that scene, I'll just show you. How can I? So here's that section. I have used the same key light effect. So all these helicopters, character dropping, character hanging was done by me. I uploaded the first Everest. So here's Everest scene. Here's a helicopter blade. I rotate this on a 3D axis. Character hanging, extra clouds. So this was one of the most complex scene. So for this scene, I'm just trying to add 2 different layers for as a graphics. Photography. So this is the first frame. background. There is no any background in this layer. This image is on the background and this is on the foreground, and this is how I composited that scene. Okay, here's one another complicated scene. So I've done camera movements here, but to composite this scene, I have created multiple characters individually. Like, so here is one character front, character quarter view, rear quarter view, and side profile, and give this image as an initial first frame for the video and created this. And then later composited by placing my main character at the center and getting surrounded by all these characters, minor characters. And the scene is like, so here's the scene. By the way, if you want to watch the entire video, you can visit our YouTube channel. I've also similar scene at the so here. So that was all. It was a completely solo project. Normally it takes me around 1 or 2 weeks for entire production of a single video, and with the help of AI tools, it's really efficient to create such types of animation projects. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you want similar types of videos in the future, you can comment down what types of topics you want me to cover in my next videos. Thank you for watching till the end. Peace.